Let's make a Diet Dark and Stormy, also known as a Dark and Skinny. To make this drink, we're going to start by filling our glass with ice, and the official glass is a tall glass. I'm using a Collins. I'm not going to fill it all the way because this is a little short for the drink we're going to be using. One more, come on. Yes, okay. We'll see if that fits. Now I'm going to put 6 ounces of Goslings Diet Stormy ginger beer into the glass. 6 ounces, 180 milliliters. Note that I don't normally measure these. Normally I just put the ginger beer in and then put the rum on top. But for the sake of authenticity, I'm going to measure out 6 ounces of this ginger beer, diet ginger beer. Now, I did just pour 5. You should be putting in 6, I mean, I'm not the boss, so you do what you want. But I'm worried about fitting all the rum in here, and I want the rum more than I want the ginger beer. So 2 ounces of Goslings Black Seal rum, 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And I am going to try to float this on top. Wish me luck. I don't always have the best luck with this. I wonder if it'd be better if I used my offhand, oh, let's pour this out first. Offhand for the spoon and my strong hand for the rum. Let's give that a try. Oh, that works better. I should do that next time. Garnish is a wedge of citrus. They suggest a lime or a grapefruit wedge. I'm going to use a lime wedge. And I'm going to put in a straw. And normally I'd suggest stirring this drink before I just kind of stirred it. I'd suggest stirring the drink before you drink it because all the rum's on top and all the ginger beer's on the bottom. I was hoping to take a picture, but I guess that's good enough. I mean, Diet Dark and Stormy, Dark and Skinny, drink with good spirits.